start, sir.
Good evening, students. Today we discuss about the topic class indirections, complex indirections. So already in lower class we can study about the indirection. What is the meaning of indirection? So indirection is the three types of indirection. First one is single indirection, double indirection, triple indirection. So single indirection is equal to find the length, and the double indirection is equal to find the area, and triple indirection is volume. So today we discuss about the simple connector region. What is the indirection involved in simple connector region? So what is the definition of simple connector region? What is region means? Again draw this is a region. Okay. This region is said to be, whenever said to be simple, that means the curve does not intersect itself. So connector region means take any 2 points inside the region. Take any 2 points. I take 1 point here and then take any 2 points inside the region. You can connect these 2 points. They are completely inside the region. They are completely inside the region. So in the region we can take any 2 points. So when given 2 points, we can connect the path completely lies inside the region. So I draw one more region. So this also is another region. So this is not a connector region, but not a simple connector region, because the curve cross itself. The curves intersect this point. So this is connector region, but not simple connector region. In complex indirection, we talk about in the simple connector region. Okay. So for example, in we know that the draw circle is a very good example for simple connector region. In complex number, the general equation of circle is modulus of z minus a equal to r. So this is a general equation, general circle equation in complex number. In another form is x square plus y square equal to r square. So this is a center 0, 0 and the radius r. So another form is x minus x whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r. This is also circle equation. Center is x comma k, radius is r. So in this is also equation of circle with center a. The center a and the radius r. So circle is in this chapter we will discuss about in simple connector region, talk about in circle. Right now, modulus of z minus I equal to 4. This is equation of circle. So what is the center point for this circle? In circle, the centers are in the form of some x comma y. So x1 comma y, that is order course. Okay, wow. So I is the imaginary axis. So I is imaginary axis. So you can draw the diagram. Okay. So I is, this is the center. That is z minus is nothing but 0 comma I. So in general, in complex number, z equal to what is the form x plus I y. So x is real part, y is imaginary part. Okay. How to we can mark the points here? 3 plus 2. 3 comma 4. X equal to 3, y equal to 2. So minus 3 comma minus 4. Minus 3. The point is minus 4 comma. So minus 3 comma minus 4. So the center is minus I. That means 0 comma 1. So in general formula is z minus u. That is 0 comma plus. Therefore center of the circle is 0 comma 1 and radius is 4. Z minus u equal to r, not r square. So radius is 4. So the point is center is 0 comma 1 and radius is 4. So this point is 0 comma 1. So what is the value of this point? Radius is 4. So 0 comma 5. This point is 0 comma minus 3. Radius is 4. So this one is simple 0 comma 1. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. So 0 comma minus 1. This point is x. What is first we can find different x will be 4 comma minus 4 comma 0. இது x is x equal to இங்கே x equal to 0 தானே 0 this is minus 4 comma minus 1 minus 4 comma minus 1 okay this is this is minus 4 comma plus 1
plus 4
x axis is minus 1 x is x is minus x is negative y is positive. First we can define the x value, next we will define the y value. So minus 4 comma plus 1, this is 4 comma 1. So these are the extra. So in the region I can define some function f of z. Therefore I define f of z. So this function is the inner value of this function is 0 whenever this is analytic inside the region. This function is analytic inside the region. So what is the definition of analytic region? I take some point here. Okay. Draw some neighborhood. Draw some neighborhood. So all points are continuous in that region. This point is analytic. This point is analytic. So all points are analytic. Then the internal value of f of z is 0. This is the statement of Cauchy interval theorem. So Cauchy inside the question. Inside the simple connector region, the f of z is analytic. All the points are inside the simple connector region. The interval is 0. This is statement of Cauchy theorem.